as we want, but it is for the 2D model. Now we have to convert it from 2D and analyze it and design for the 3D model. We have to compare about the value from the 2D and 3D. What is different when you apply for the 3D? I have to show it as the 3D. Okay, I call it 3D. Span 34 meter length. Okay, now you have to untick for the section. Okay, and you can delete for the dimension, but in the case I want to keep this all, and we have to change the global coordinate by clicking here. You can see about global coordinate. Now global coordinate is too far away. You can click on location and move it to location you want. Okay, and now we have to design for the 3D model by clicking by Ctrl S2 and click on it, C select, and I have to copy it to be apply it for the same with our previous tutorial. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, about 7. And from one way to another way is 6 meter length. Okay, escape. We have to seal it again. You see here, it is our column, it is our frame. Now we have to create for the purlin. Now I want to delete for the restraint by clicking on select property, section, bar, point support, and clicking on the support in Z direction, in Y direction. Click on it. Okay, now on support select, and I have to delete it. Okay, we keep for the support at the bottom only, and you can save it because to prevent error during modeling, analysis, and design, you have to aware. Click on seal. Okay, seal your model. Okay, now here I start from this one by create the link. You can select for the link here, link. I create the new section by clicking here and micro section, co-form on the section, and we have to select it for the set 220 25. You can reduce your section actually, but in this one I had to follow for the fully design from the purlin to the raster by using the standard load apply on the purlin. And now we have to design the purlin, so indicate your purlin is take higher section, so you can decrease this section. Okay, and we have to check about the angle or section. Okay, you have to check the angle of section of your section to rotate the purlin to that angle. Now I have to create a new section here by clicking here to here, and you have to create to measure the angle here, the angle. Click here to here. The line has no intersection point. Okay, you can try it again. We call it no intersection point. You can take another one. Okay, and try to measure the angle again by clicking here to here. Now we have to check where it is. Where it is. No, not correct. We have to delete it. Now we have to measure it again. Okay, and by clicking the measure angle and click on here to here, you will receive the angle 6.71. Okay, 6.71. 6.71. Now we have to create the link for our raster by clicking on the raster member link, and we have to select on the section call form, and this one we select on the top middle, and setting we select on one, and we release on the rotation setup. Okay, you can click on here. It is really called to select, so you have to hide your model by creating group. Okay, because in consider you have to input in the join. It is equal to the less. Okay, because it's not know about the actual join. Okay, actual. So in the case you have to create group. Okay, I call it column portion, and you portion, I call it raster or top chart, or you can top call top and bottom chart. Another one you can call it the vertical or diagonal. I call it diagonal frame. Okay, now we have to select on the section by select on the section. Okay, and select on the diagonal, assign it to this folder. Okay, and we select it again and click on the section 250, click it and assign it to the column. Okay, and for the top and bottom chart we use the same concept by clicking on the section 200 and we assign it to the top and bottom chart. Click here. Okay, now we can click on here and we do not show diagonal. Okay, in the one we want to show for the upper chart only. Okay, you can select here and in this one we take it to 10, come back to 10, and we click on the links again, and everything is good. Now we have to select on this one. Okay, you see here the link is generated. Link is generated, and this one is the same. Okay, now you have to generate all link. In still you can copy this link, but you can copy join. Okay, for other restaurant, but for this link type you cannot copy it. Okay, we try to create this all. You see here it is so hard when you the link, so you have to classify the folder and to divide as group. It is the very good concept to apply when your structure has the complete shape of the complete model. Okay, now you have to check your modeling is complete with the restraint, the connection between the raster to the purlin. Okay, I have to see it again and click on the section. Okay, click on the section, and we take the core form section, and here I want to select it in detection. Okay, but we have to rotate. Okay, rotate. If you do not rotate, your section is not fit with the raster, and that we try to measure the angle previously. You can check that. Okay, why we want to create about want to measure about the angle previously. You remember here. Now we have to apply the concept. Okay, you have to measure the angle. Is 6.73. Okay, now let's input it in here. 6.73. for the angle where it is angle. And I click scan 6.37. Okay, 6.37. 6.37. Okay, now we have to start it again from here to here. Okay, and you can check it is correct or not right now. Okay, now it's correct. Okay, and we can copy it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, copy it 9 and copy from here to here. Okay, and after that you can mirror it again. Okay, by clicking on the mirror tool. Okay, but you have to make sure you also input the link here. But in our section is not just see the link. Okay, not just see the link. You have to input link or the frame. In the frame not just has the link. Now we have to come back in the link. And tick for diagonal. Okay, then come back for the link and click it here, 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 here. Okay, now everything is fine right now. Okay, it's connect each other good, connect each other is really good, and we have to copy it. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, to 6. Clicking here and here. Okay, and you can create for the purlin. Now I have to select on the section. Select on the property section and assign it to the purlin. Okay, after that you can create other truss in the location, but now I want to create it by using the beam element from this one. Okay, by clicking here, and clicking here, and by clicking here. No, sorry. For by clicking here. Okay, you can change the section later. Clicking here to here, here to here. Okay, now you can change the section to section what you want. Okay, the section will be changed. Okay, see here. Now you have to select it again, and you can copy to other location by clicking the tool, select on one, click this one to other one. Okay, and after that you have to copy it to other frame by clicking here. Okay, this one, and you can copy it again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 to the location. Okay, I call it outer truss. Pressing truss. You can Ctrl 2, and after that click on it and click on it. Okay, and assign the section to outer top pressing diagonal chart. Okay, it's called pressing truss. Okay, here to here. Okay, and now we have to add more at the bottom chart. Okay, at the bottom chart by clicking here and select this location, this section, and click from here to here, and the location we add at the middle only, and the location at the only, and again we have to copy it. Okay, from this one to other frame is the same. Okay, now we have to select it again, select it again. I call it bottom chart pressing. Okay, Okay, you can click on it and view it and untick button short pressing. Okay, it's worked now. Okay, you have to seal it to seal your model, and after that you have to check it again about the load. Okay, it load, light load, and with load, and you have to check about your support. You have support or not. In this case, I do not see the support. You can see here where your support. Not see support. I'm not see support. So you have to add support. Okay. To add support. Okay, it is support. Okay, it's a good concept. And you can add other pressing in column, but I don't want to add other pressing. Now we have to try to analyze this again by clicking on analysis and by clicking on analyze, and you see here we have got error. There is overlap between bar. Okay, you can click on that. You can click on that and select on bar by segment and select. You will see the bar overlap. Okay, in the location it overlap, you can delete it. Okay, you can delete it, but you have to draw it again in the location. Okay, you can copy in the location is the same. Okay, because it's overlap the member, now you have to copy it again by clicking copy and seek. Okay, now everything is fine. Now we have to analyze it again. And you see here we got there are lots of error, and we have to fix it one by one. You see the link, the earn beam link is not connected to each other. Okay, you have to find it where is location. Okay, in this one now we have to correct our model again by clicking on this one by clicking on this one and copy it again. Okay, and we have to show it, run analysis, and you got the error first order analysis instability. Now we have to check it and fix it again. Now what is error right now? Now we have to correct this section, this list, by click on it, lint, okay, we click it all and we delete for the Z only. Okay, now we have to underline it again. Now what is error right now? Hing cannot be free earned via IT location. Okay, you can see here the location. We don't have the link. Now we have to fit it, and this one is the location. Okay, now we have to fit the two location. Okay, now I want to click and to fit the location first by clicking on the pressing. We have to untick for the pressing. Okay, diagonal. Okay, now we have to add link again. Tent, and the location. Why is not connected to other? What's wrong right now? The angle, okay, we put it the same with this angle. This one is the angle is 6.37. Now we have to fix this error. Wow. So in the case you have to add link and you have to draw this again. Okay, don't worry about this. We have to fix it. We have to create links again. Okay, click on it, click on it. And we have to check, okay, it's connect each other, it connects each other, and where it's not connect, we have to fix it. Okay, I have to fix it. You see here, in this one you have to fix it. Delete it again. So this section is not connected. Okay, we have to create this one. Okay, now we have to turn this again. Okay, 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 right now. Okay, okay, now you have to untick it all and check your model again. It is good. Now we have to delete this one and try to analyze it again. And you still got error. And we select it and the location you can see here. The location do not have link now. Now we have to try to create link again. Okay, I don't know why we just create it, but now we done so. Okay, now we have to check it again. And run it again. Okay, now we have to check about buckling. The value is so low. Now you have to fit it. Oh, okay, because you do not yet include pressing, so we have to add pressing. Okay, in the case we have to add pressing. You see here the value is very low. Is very low, so we have to add pressing. Okay, I have to save it again. And I load a new section. I load from the standard section of section. I take it 90. Okay, load, and we have to delete it. Okay, and draw it in this one. I want to try it from this one to this one, and we try it to make sure you connect it at the top shot and not the link. Okay, here to here, and this one is the same here to here, and this one to no, they're not correct. We have to control shift again. Okay, control shift again and draw it again. Okay, after that we draw it again. Okay, now we have to finish it. Okay, we click on section, and now we have to mirror this section by clicking on copy. Now we have to select this section again, and we have to copy to the earn bay. And we have to select it again. I create the new one, I call it the frame pressing okay, you see here it is frame pressing okay, now we have to analyze it and design again. You have to try to model and see to check about buckling, check about the sensitivity of your buckling, and you have to fit it from the 2D to the 3D. So you have a lot of steps to model from 2D to align it and to model 3D. You got it. And so you have to try again and again and to fit from one step to another step. You will got the result. Okay. Okay. Now we got the result. Now we have to check about the buckling mode again. Now no other error appear during analysis, and we have to check it. Okay. In this one, because our column is buckling. Okay, in back axis. Indicate you can increase your column section because your frame is past now, so you have to increase for your column section. Check here. Okay, you have to fit for your column. If you want to design, you can continue to design and check about the result, but in the case we recommend you to increase your column section or add more pressing, or if you don't want to add more pressing, you have to increase your column. In the case I do not model for the restraint at the column, and the case you have a restraint at the top charge. Okay, now we have to perform a design, and you can check the result. the result is you can check here, column. Okay, your column is over. Okay, you can check everything is fine, but your column is over right now. So after you fetch your column to increase section or add more restraint, your column will be passed. Okay, now we have to try again by adding other restraint. Okay, start from here and 4. Okay, 4. We have to add other restraint at previous one by clicking this icon, set. Okay, now we have to take it, not correct, to 7 2H. Okay, okay, add again. Again, we model the core form again. Okay, beam, rotate it 90 degrees. select on it, select on it. You can select on it. Okay, and that could be 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now we have to save it again. Then you have to select on diagnostic. No error, your model is perfect. Okay, your model is perfect right now, and you can check again. In the case you can add other restraint to prevent buckling, or you can change your column section. Okay, you have to check buckling again. Now buckling is appear at your column. Okay, at your column. You can increase your column to prevent buckling in this direction. Then you can check another one. Okay, now the buckling is occur at the column. Okay, now we have check again about design. We have to perform for the buckling check. You can check here your column is still over. Now we decide to increase the column section. Okay, you can check here, everything is working fine. Is it for the column? We have to change our column. Okay, we have to change our column. Our column section is IPA 270. We have to change to IPA 300. Okay, load it again. Okay, this one is adequate. So in the case you can try it again. You can include the global imperfection. Now I had to include it by using geometry, member, load, and we add the global imperfection. By applying the snow load, I apply for the maximum is 0.3% and include it for all load conditions. I click apply, and in this way we have add for the 8 direction. Okay, we have to apply it. Okay, and for the analysis, we include the effect of the global imperfection. Okay, this one, and now we have to perform calculation. Okay, you have to perform diagnostic to check, to make sure your structure is not error. Okay, now no other error. You can check for the buckling and the load combination. Okay, load combination. You can check this one. The load combination, the buckling occur at the column. Another mode occur at the column. Okay, now we have to perform for the analysis. Okay, click on calculation. Okay, now our structure is pass is around 97%. We have to achieve our goal. Now if you want to optimize, you can optimize more, but in the case I don't want to optimize anything. It is very good is our spec. Okay, you can check here. I want to show it. Okay, you can see the ratio. Okay, the design ratio. Okay, for the upper, for diagonal, and for the lower, you can add this one, and for the column. Okay, this is the design ratio. And at the previous tutorial you can also check for the utilization, and this one you can check for the general elastic corrosion. Okay, for the elastic corrosion, and this one for pure resistant. and this one plastic interaction is very low, and conductivity, okay, is this one. And for global stability, your section will be increased. Okay, you can check here for global stability. This one is 94%, and this one is around 75%, and the column is around 8. Okay, 90%. Okay, 90%. Now we keep everything here. If you want to optimize, you can continue to optimize again, but I want to finish from this model right now. Thank you for your watching. Thank you. Now you can watch your model again before you say goodbye. I say goodbye with you. Okay, you can check. We can turn off support. We can turn off joint. Okay, you see here, it is our 3D model. Complete our 3D model. Thank you for your watching. Thank you.